Welcome to Keeping in Sync with Microsoft 365 for this week, the 28th of August. How the year is flying along. As a reminder with every week that certain dates may change and certain settings may or may not be available to you based on license or organizational settings and preferences. Now let's starting off with Excel. Now if you've ever managed or if you've ever built amazing Excel workbooks with macros, calculations, graphs, and wanted to make your organization even more reliant on a single file, well, now you can thanks to Excel getting support for the Python programming language. You'll be able to add Python formulas into your workbooks without any installation of the Python software. And these Python formulas will be run by Excel in a secure container on the Microsoft Cloud with enterprise level security as a compliant Microsoft 365 connected experience. Now, this particular feature is actually rolling out in early September, but only in a preview state. So if you want to show that using programming languages isn't just for nerds and geeks like me, but actually that the cool financial analyst jocks can use it too, get your IT team to switch you to the Office beta channel or Microsoft 365 apps beta channel so you can access this totally rad preview functionality. Happy coding. Now, if you're using Outlook Express, and that is what I'm going to be calling the new Outlook, if you're using Outlook Express on a touch-enabled device, you can actually add a canvas to your message and draw with your finger, a digital pen, or a mouse. You can select from different pen styles and edit your drawing to freely express yourself, and once selected, you can pick from multiple options of thickness of the pen, color of ink type, and whether it's highlighter, pencil, pen, and that kind of stuff. Really amazing functionality, really crucial to the day-to-day working experience, which is rolling out early to late September, but again, only in Outlook Express. Now, on a more serious note, to support accessibility best practices, Microsoft has made two key improvements to the page authoring experience in SharePoint. Now, the first improvement will provide the functionality to mark images as decorative. So decorative images will be ignored by assistive technology, including screen readers. This addition has been made to several web parts, including the background image of the title region, images added inline to the text web part, the image web part gallery, the image gallery itself, the hero web part, call to action, and quick links. And the second improvement has changed the heading level 1 to be reserved for the page title in the title area. Now you can still add headings to a page, but at levels 2 to 4 using web parts. Now this actually makes it easier for users of screen readers to understand how your page is structured. This is rolling out now until late September. Now, probably the biggest thing ever to hit Microsoft 365 is like totally OMG. Colored folders will now be an option in OneDrive and SharePoint libraries. This is like, you guys, totally, I can't even. And the best part is there's no admin or site owner controls, so you can change colors set by other people and then have fights about it after they change them back. This is so cool, so totally glam and so necessary. But it's rolling out now to early October. Something that actually will be useful for people is you'll soon be able to see near real-time calendar syncs of all of your events updated across Outlook and Teams without having to refresh or switch tabs from chat to calendar on mobile devices. This is rolling out late August to early September. Also in the world of Teams, the Teams desktop app for Windows will open web links from Teams chats in Microsoft Edge to enable a new web and chat side-by-side experience. It's actually a pretty great feature because what this effectively does is opens those links side-by-side with your Teams chat. So the web links will open as a new browser tab and Teams chats will open next to them in the Edge sidebar. And what this new single view Teams experience in Edge does is minimizes the amount of switching windows you have to do to help you stay in the flow of work while referencing web links. So effectively, I can click on a link from my colleague Colin here and continue chatting to him while actually browsing the page instead of having to have multiple windows open and flicking between. This actually builds on similar functionality already available in Outlook and is rolling out late September. And that's it for Keeping in Sync with Microsoft 365 this week.